Hello everyone, this is the demonstration of our advanced topics in information retrieval, and this is our application called Crime Mobile Spotter. What this is a Android application which allows you to search for crime around a geographical window. And you could type crime into this box right here, such as car theft or something like that, and it will return a list of results. And this list of results is actually based upon a geographical location. By default, we have it set to your current location, but you can specify on the map where you need the search to be. So right now we're in Falls Church, so let's search in the Falls Church area. As you can see, this is 66. This is Route 7 right there. So what we do is when we get to the view map, this is our map view right here, you select a geo window and you press this back button right here to navigate back to the main page. The back button serves as our main navigation throughout our application. So anytime you want to go back to the previous page, use the back button, and that gets you where you need to go. So we're going to do car theft. And before we search car theft, we have many options that we have. There's a start date, end date, start time, and end time. You can change any of these search functions by pressing the adjacent buttons. The start date button will pop up a dialog box which will allow you to change the date. Let's start January 1st, 2002. I think we set that, and you can see that changes it right there. And we can set the end date to today is actually May 2nd, but let's put the May 5th, 2005. That should be okay. And start time, we'll just keep it here. Because one of the issues with our development is we don't have a static IP, so we actually have this little field right here which you can enter the server IP. So because this code's going to move around a lot, we need it to be dynamic. So we're going to actually set our IP right now to the current IP, and it is 192 dot 168 dot 1.126. That's the current address of our server right now. So we're going to set that as server IP. So you click that button and that sets it. In order to go back to the main page, we press the back button. So let's search for car theft within our geographic. Okay, so let's search for car theft in our geographical window and our temporal window. So clicking the search button will populate a list of all theft crimes which had either car or theft in either the description, the category, method, or any of that sort of stuff. We actually implement a Lucene text matcher, so car would also match auto results, and here you actually see theft from motor vehicle. So motor vehicle is actually a synonym for car. So all these results work right here, and if we tap on any of the results, the map will actually focus on that area and actually on that point. And if we zoom in, zoom in here, click that again. So, sorry, different point. If we click the point right here, we actually get a bigger text font and better description of the exact crime. So here it says, unknown persons entered an unsecured vehicle and stole a car audio valued at $300. So this category is theft and also has car in the description. If we wanted more information from this crime, we can hit the View Record button right here, and this will actually pop up another page which will actually display the entire contents of that record. So you see the category is larceny from vehicle, which is larceny is a category of crime. So the city is Falls Church, county is Falls Church. Shows a date of crime, 2009, September 6th, and it's actually 7:32, I believe, a.m. And it shows the business location and the description. And we also have areas where we can show a picture and a fingerprint as well. We didn't get to include that as part of our project, but that's something we'd like to do in the future. And we have these results in our database, so we can put that in there. So another thing we can do in our database is actually report crime. So here we have the report button, and if we press the report button, we get fields which populate based on our current location. So right now is Virginia Tech Center, and on latitude and longitude, and we put down the category. So it could be we have a drop down list here. You can select theft, assault, other, hit and run. Let's select just hit and run, and nearby address, just put something silly like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the description, let me put down I was hit very, very hard. Something like that. And we report the crime right here. After you get this thank you, crime has been reported screen, your crime is actually recorded to the database. So if we do that search again with our new data, so we did, I think it was very hard, and our crime window should still be in our current location. So